Hi, Ernest here, and in this video I want to show you a cool new feature that has been just added to Ajax Search Pro. So right behind me you see the latest changelog of version 4.28.3. The feature I want to talk about is the super file cache. So the cache system has been reworked, and let me just show you, it's going to be easier. So right here I have Ajax Search Pro, and on the menu I click on cache, and you should be greeted with this page. And it says that we should enable the statistics and the cache settings. So let's just do that. I'm going to click on the first thing and turn on the statistics. Although this is not mandatory, but it's great to have it. If I close this, that warning should go away. And also the cache itself. So let's click on it, enable the cache. And right off the bat, the default settings is just perfectly fine for most people. You can take a look at these. Right now, I just want to show you how this works. On this server, I have this search set up. So let me just refresh it. And the thing is that I had to add a code snippet. Let me quickly show you to slow down the search actually, because it's super fast and you wouldn't see the difference. And so let me just reload again. And let's just try to search for home. And as you can see, this request took 1.14 seconds. Because I added the 1 second delay on top of what that 140 milliseconds. So as you can see, it takes quite some time. Oh, this one took 2 seconds because of the suggestion, so it calculated twice the sleep time. If I now reload, and I don't even have to reload, but I'm gonna reload it and do the same search phrases, which now should be cached. Look at that. It was super fast. It took 5 milliseconds. This was the search request. This other one is just to record the statistics. So let me do it again. That's it. The HOM phrases also. Like, look at that. Home. Look at that. Like 6 milliseconds. Obviously on live servers it's gonna be a little bit slower because the request has to go to the server and the response is usually a little bit slower. But even like 100 milliseconds it's almost, you don't even notice it. It's so fast. So yeah, this is the cool new feature and you should be using it. And to top it all off, I also added the command line controls to this. So if I go WP cache, it will show me all the commands. So I can go clear, purge, and info. Let's go WP cache info. I want to see the info. So see, it shows me the cache hits all time, misses, and how many items are in the cache. Oh, and you can also check that out on the cache statistics. I almost forgot to show you. Look at this. So on the cache page, you have a very similar layout than on the new statistics page, where you can check out all the latest cached phrases and a 24-hour and an all-time hit and miss ratio. So back to the command line, you can of course clear and purge the cache. So if I go to clear, it will not clear anything. Clearing the cache means that deleting stale items that are expired, and obviously from the start of the video they haven't passed 7 days, so they are not expired yet. And also purge, which will delete everything from the cache. The 2 phrases that were cached have been now deleted. So yeah, this is the big thing that I wanted to show you. There's also something else that it's worth mentioning, is that I added rows to search statistics settings to export and delete legacy search statistics. So if you go to, where is it? Search statistics, into the settings. Now you should see these new 2 buttons if you had the plugin longer before version 4.28. If you don't see these, then don't worry. So what's legacy data? So search statistics existed before version 4.28, and it was a much simpler version. But I didn't want to delete that data, so I kept it there, and I decided to, down the line, I will add these options so you can manually download them as a CSV file, and then if you decide, you can just nuke that table because it's no longer required. And that's it. This is what I wanted to show you. If you don't have an Ajax Search Pro license yet, well, what are you waiting for? If you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.